In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Welcome to Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following our channel. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Knockout Crypto. We're on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you for following the channel. So Ripple, before we get into the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below. And let us know what you think of the video. We really appreciate your support here at Knockout Crypto. Go to knockoutcrypto.com also to get the next big crypto report. So today's big XRP Ripple news. Big news for Ripple XRP. Ripple caps record year with 200 million Series C funding. Ripple caps record year with 200 million Series C funding. This is a huge investment in Ripple from investors. And maybe they know something that we don't know, right? So let's get into why Ripple was able to get 200 million in Series C funding. That's a serious investment. Today, Ripple is thrilled to announce 200 million in Series C funding, an investment that marks a record year for the business and further proves the value of the blockchain technology in improving global payments and the broader utility of the digital asset XRP and the XRP ledger. The Series C was led by Teragon with participation from SBI Holdings and Route 66 Ventures. These notable investors not only underscore Ripple's long-term potential, but as partners, they offer invaluable industry insight and expertise to help Ripple's business grow on a global scale. We are in a strong financial position to execute against our vision. As others in the blockchain space have slowed their growth or even shut down, we have accelerated our momentum and industry leadership throughout 2019, says CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Ripple has seen its strongest year of growth to date in 2019. The company's global payment network, RippleNet, grew to more than 300 customers worldwide and included a new strategic partnership with MoneyGram. Today, the network has customers in more than 45 countries and 6 continents, with payout capabilities in over 70 countries. This network momentum drove 10x year-over-year growth in transactions across the network, and more banks and payment providers using XRP to source liquidity on demand than ever before. In addition, Ripple announced the next chapter for Xspring, the open developer platform for money. This platform offers tools, services, and programs that make it easier for developers to send and receive payments in any currency across any network using the XRP ledger and the interledger protocol, removing the pain and friction from integrating money into apps. Finally, this investment will expedite the company onboarding of new global talent to meet market demands and better serve its growing community of customers and partners. Ripple Series C is just one moment along the company's journey to change the way the world moves money. Ultimately, this investment supports Ripple's broader vision for the Internet of Value to enable the world to move value like information moves today, a global problem with far-reaching implications. Also on the block crypto, Ripple raises 200 million Series C to boost XRP adoption. That's a picture of Brad Garlinghouse. Ripple has raised a whopping 200 million in Series C funding. The round was led by investment firm Teragon, with participation from Japan's SBI Holdings and Route 66 Ventures. Blockchain payments firm Ripple has raised a whopping 200 million in Series C's funding. With the fresh capital in place, Ripple looks to boost the adoption of cryptocurrency XRP and its native token network, the XRP ledger. Ripple also plans to hire new talent with the investment to expand globally. We are in a strong financial position to execute against our vision. As others in the blockchain space have slowed their growth or even shut down, we have accelerated our momentum and industry leadership throughout 2019, said Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple. The Series C round reportedly values the San Francisco-based company at $10 billion. According to a recent list of global unicorns for 2019 published by research firm Hum, Ripple was valued at $5 billion. Garlinghouse told Fortune on Friday that Ripple did not need the money, though the funds will provide balance sheet flexibility. Indeed, Ripple has already sold $260 million worth of XRP over the last 4 quarters, according to the block's research. Wow, so Ripple has already sold $260 million worth of XRP over the last 4 quarters, according to the block research. XRP sales by Ripple. Now, as you see this chart, the red is the cryptocurrency exchanges. That's where they sell XRP. And the blue is the institutional sales. So as you can see, a lot of it has been sold on cryptocurrency exchanges. There are some institutional sales. In quarter 3, 2019, as you can see, there was a lot more institutional sales than cryptocurrency exchanges. But we see in quarter 4 of 2017 and quarter 1 of 2018, when we were going through the bull run, they were selling a lot on cryptocurrency exchanges. Customer base. Ripple currently has over 300 customers for its global payment network, RippleNet. Garlinghouse told the news source that he expects the firm customer base to grow 30 to 40% and the transaction volume to increase over 600% in 2020. Out of those 300 RippleNet customers, more than 24 use the firm's on-demand liquidity solution that leverages XRP, Ripple announced last month. Some of these customers include money transfer firms MoneyGram, Via Americas, and Flash FX, and the financial services provider Interbank Peru, among others. ODL currently supports Mexico, the Philippines, and Australian markets. Ripple said at the time that the support for Brazil is coming soon, as well as additional corridors across Asia Pacific, Europe, Middle East, and Africa, and Latin America are in progress for 2020. In 2019, we've seen continued momentum with customers, growth of RippleNet, and adoption of on-demand liquidity, Garlinghouse said at the time. Fortune has also covered this story. Ripple raises $200 million as a part of a bid for XRP adoption. Ripple controls, I'm not going to read the whole article, but I'll read some highlights out of the Fortune article. Ripple controls an enormous reserve of XRP, which is the world's 3rd most valuable cryptocurrency, and it's merged in 2011 as an early competitor to Bitcoin. In recent years, the company has bet its business on persuading financial institutions to use XRP as a bridge currency on cross-border transfers. The $200 million investment may help Ripple refute skeptics who say it's a technology as a solution in search of a problem and question why banks should adopt it. According to Garlinghouse, XRP helped customers free up capital that they would otherwise have to park as reserves in local banks. A Ripple spokesperson said that it plans for next year to include hiring up to 150 new employees and adding overseas offices. Garlinghouse declined to disclose details of Ripple's revenues or operating profitability, but the company said it is adhering to its core strategy of promoting the adoption of XRP. While Ripple earns money from its licensing, its money transfer software, its priority is XRP, since widespread adoption of the cryptocurrency would boost its price and allow the company to profit from selling its reserves. 1 unit of XRP is currently selling for around 18 cents, and like other cryptocurrencies, has slumped in the last year. A place for XRP in the age of digital dollars. While XRP may be more efficient than traditional methods like wire transfers of moving money across borders, skeptics question whether there will be a role for Ripple in the future. Currently, China is on the cusp of issuing a digital version of the renminbi, while central banks in Canada, England, and elsewhere are experimenting with digital versions of their own currency. Meanwhile, Facebook is pushing forward with its ambitious plans to use blockchain, the technology that underpins Bitcoin and XRP, to transform global payment systems. And banks like JP Morgan are launching so-called stablecoins, which are synthetic versions of the dollar pegged to reserve funds. If these projects come to fruition, they could potentially undercut Ripple's business model. Garlinghouse says he's not concerned, noting that the central bank experiments are focused on domestic currencies, not moving money across borders. And he says banks and private companies are unlikely to embrace a stablecoin backed by one of their competitors, suggesting that the path is clear for XRP to grow as an instrument of cross-border money transfer. Historically, the number of times governments or big companies have been able to come together and execute on something on this scale is rare, he says. Bank of America or Citi is not going to use a JP Morgan coin. Garlinghouse is similarly unfazed by the sagging price of XRP, which is down nearly half from the start of the year. Some on social media have blamed the price sag on Ripple's founder Jed McCaleb dumping his holdings, an allegation Garlinghouse refused by noting McCaleb is contractually obligated to sell only a small amount at a time. Even as critics carp about the performance of XRP, and as many in the cryptocurrency industry regard 2019 as a bruising year, Garlinghouse remains emboldened. It has been a tremendous year for Ripple, he adds, adding that the company will be disclosing more numbers and major announcements in early 2020. The story has been updated to clarify Ripple's transfer of Brazilian are at a test stage. So that's amazing. All right, so let's look at the Coinbase article and see if we can find anything in there that's new. I think the Fortune article has some new information that we didn't notice. So in its last financial report, Ripple said its total XRP sales for the third quarter of 2019 were worth $66.24 million, up from $25.1 million in the previous quarter. Ripple will be in court next month defending its motion to dismiss a lawsuit claiming that sales of XRP were unregistered security issuance. Earlier this month, Ripple moved to have the case dismissed, saying that along with other arguments, even if XRP were a security, the investor plaintiff brought their case far too late for it to proceed. So that's just more information on that one. I want to give you guys the current price of XRP. XRP is up a little bit today. It's at 19 cents. I think it was at 18 cents yesterday. Ripple XRP is at 19 cents. There are 43 billion XRP out there. So I don't know how that affects things, but the current price is 19 cents for XRP right now, 19 cents. The volume is 1.5 billion. The market cap is $8.3 billion. It's valued at a $10 billion company. So it's already at, it's almost close to its $10 billion valuation. So I don't know if that gives XRP a lot of room to grow. But that's what's going on right now. Ripple caps record year with $200 million in Series C funding. Let me know what you think about Ripple and XRP. Are they going to grow more in 2020? They definitely are the crypto project in America that probably has the most funding as an American-based crypto project. So let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can join Knockout Crypto by going to knockoutcrypto.com. Thank you for following the channel. Thank you for your support. Go to knockoutcrypto.com to get the next big crypto report. That's where we let you in on insight on coins that we think might be the next big coins. Thank you for following the channel, guys. Subscribe, comment below, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams, and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.